Indian Kashmir Valley is very well known for its scenic beauty. As autumn approaches, the chinar tree leaves are turning red, adding to its beauty and attracting tourists as usual. Here's more.
India's Kashmir Valley welcomes autumn season with shades of red and golden-coloured chinar leaves. Locals say the autumn season attracts a good number of tourists.
The tree leaves turn red, which enhances the beauty of the Kashmir Valley. The tourists love it as much as we do. It is the best part of the autumn season.
The valley is commonly referred to as the Switzerland of the East. Mughal rulers of India in the 17th century called it paradise on earth.
God blessed the valley with its unique picturesque beauty as the leaves turn red in the autumn season and become green in the summer season, which looks very beautiful.
The five-lobed chinar leaves change to many colours before they fall, unlike the leaves of native plants that turn pale, dry and ultimately wither.